panels all sealed up. About to install that. Last time. Yup. So, we're marking some stuff off the list. What did we get done? We did the glove box. We did that. And what else? We did this just now. Door panels. Door and window seals. We did that. Adjust hood and fenders. We did that. The grill. Yeah, looking good. Just got the custom fabbed up deck bracket installed. That's what the deck's gonna be like. So it's gonna slide in about an inch and be nice and flush with the trim on the dash there. Once we have it slid all the way in, it's gonna be real tough to get it out though. So that's why I haven't slid it all the way in there yet. But it's gonna look real good, man. Tight, tight. So we got one of those Chrysler 300 shifters that won't shift out of park. Got it all taken apart, disassembled a bit. This is the piece that's bad. This pink guy in here. Twist it forward like that. And pull it up and out. And then we're gonna drill a hole in there, put some wire through it, hook the spring back up. Boom, fixed, better than new. And I even found the little tiny piece that broke off. So that's all it takes for your shifter to stop working, is that tiny little plastic hook to break off of there. And then the spring goes missing or goes loose. So if you don't have this spring, you might as well just order this part. But if you retrieve this spring, then you can totally just drill a hole in here. And then what you do is you put the spring onto a wire, put the wire through the hole, twist it up a couple times on the other side, nice and tight, cut off the wire, reinstall it. So we got the wire hooked up in basically the same spot where the hook was. You just want to maybe fold the end of the other end of the wire out of the way so it doesn't come in contact with anything. Just put it in there and make sure she works back and forth, and then hook the spring up to the little hook in the front. Yeah, it's good. It can move back and forth. It doesn't, the little extra little wire doesn't contact nothing. So I'm going to use some needle nose pliers and hook up the there we go. In there with the spring attached. We'll put it back in and make sure everything works. Now it's back together. Now it's just a little test before we put it in the car. I should only have to hit this one pink button on the side and not the one in there, and we should be able to go in. Yeah, there we go. We're moving. Good to go. Yep. Let's go. And believe it or not, this thing actually goes in this car. Yeah. Something like that. So, shifter in the car, one connector here and one connector there. Just do those together right now. One in. Yeah, push the other one in. There we go. Here it clicked. Okay. I slide it on the bolts now. Move the linkages out of the way. So this one hooks to the pink thing that we just fixed. So just clip that over the pink thing and then slide this onto the thing. Boom, that's reinstalled. And this one slides into there, and then you just do the bolt back. Oh no, I'll show you. Slide that into the. Slide that. Down in there like that. Bolt that back. Need my other hand. Next, just reinstall the 4 nuts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All done. So, doing a little maintenance, changing some upper control arms, and realized, oh hey, not gonna be able to get that bolt out now. So now we gotta drop the whole subframe, undo the, good thing we didn't have the exhaust on yet. We would have had to take the exhaust off too, but no, just the drive shaft, brake lines, a couple other things. Lowering down the subframe now so we can take this bolt out, switch it around the other way so it can go in and out, and change the control arms while we're in there, and this thing will be done. Yeah. Dude, what'd you do to my car? Ah!